3, 2, 1.
Philippine serpent eagle, scientifically known as Philornis holosphelos. They are found in the major islands of the Philippines, na forest and open woodlands. Now, this endemic eagle can easily distinguish by its well-defined spots on their backs and underwing. Data is sent for Philippine serpent eagle ready. And so guys, you may notice our trainers are using a gloves that is called a pulmonary gauntlet. It is used to protect our skin from their sharp. Okay, first up, let's call our first raptor, our Rhaminicae kingdom. So Rhaminicae is scientifically known as Haliastor indus. They are found in Indian subcontinent, Southeast Asia, Australia, and even here in the Philippines. In Australia, there are called sea eagles. Meanwhile, in the Philippines, they are locally known as lawins or banog in the Visayan region. And also guys, may familiar na siya na eagle. That is because mga siya ang eagle sa logo sa show ni Kuya Kim na Matang Lawin. Okay, that is it for Rhaminicae kingdom. And in the world of birds of prey, female eagle. Okay, now let's call it Tweety, Nigel, and Snow. So that right there is Snow. Here with me is Tweety, and with Junior Mary, that's Nigel. Okay, first up, now here with me is our sulfur-crested cockatoo, Tweety. Now this bird prefers their habitat along the edges of subtropical and tropical rainforests. Now these birds are primarily white with black beaks, with a distinctive sulfur yellow crest. So this is their crest. And a yellowish color on their underside wings. Its scientific name is Kakatua galerita. Now up next is an umbrella cockatoo, Nigel. Now these birds are also called the great white-crested cockatoos. That is because they're recognizable among other cockatoos. It's wholly now, parrots are intelligent. They can remember even the slightest and smallest They use this skill in the wild to find food and shelter. Lila, Shay, Bennett? There you go. It's time to try the round of applause for our Binuing Mako, Bennett. The Goldie said, your name is Ara Arna. Now for your next man, Makos can live up to 60 to 70 years old. And also guys, did you know that parrots are monogamous? Meaning they only have one partner for their entire lifetime. And so that is it for our two types of parrots here in Cebu Ocean Park. Once again, our Binuing Mako Bandit and our blue and gold Mako Goldie. Now, parrots are known to be intelligent and receptive. That's why we do our best to keep them engaged so they won't get bored. Now, let's call him Bandit once again, and he's gonna show there is Bandit, and our trainer Vince, that's Goldie. Let's start. Now, on your right, we trainer Mary is our Greenwing Mako Bandit. So as you can see, her body is covered with mostly red plumage. Its wings and tail feathers are blue and green. So that Mako has a white-naked face striped with small red feathers. Now Bandit's scientific name is Arachloropteros. Now say hi to them, Bandit. Say hi. On the other side. Now up next, we trainer Vince is our blue and gold Mako Goldie. So blue and gold Mako is a beautiful shade of gold at your backs and a solid shade of yellow on your bellies and inner wing. Your eyes and beaks are solid black. Now those birds can typically found in Peru, Brazil, Bolivia, and Paraguay. Now here is Ocean Park. We have three blue and gold. He's gonna show us how to do the proper waste disposal. So sadly, a lot of animals are struggling in the world because of pollution. So always keep in mind to reduce waste, reuse plastics, and recycle everything we can. So seeing if Bandit can do it, then so can we. So by the way guys, if you want some
What?
Oh my god. Ulit kay stingray ba? Doon kita bahog.
Ato siya sa basket.
Oo na. Ang kulit.
Wow. Si Meiji.
Ang grouper o, marag wala.
Lagi pa ano ko. Sa mga hugay pa sa stingray. Bro, kayo na oh.
shark ka, wagit, may pake. Tanan kaya pagi may kulit. Ang lagi.
Oh my god. Sabot ng mga isda, oh. Itaputan na siya, oh. Okay, mamahog mo na.
Ito pala yung papakain ko.
Itaputan siya, mamahog mo na. Sabot mo mga isda.
if you want it.
Dako eh.
Binili na siya, bubuk mo lang ba? Binili na mo siya.
Lulong!
Crocodile na siya or alligator?
Crocodile.
Ano ta? Dito na siya, boss. Pero hindi, wag siya nagpakita. Nilagyan ang ako na to.
Ang alligator na,
Sa gusto dahil mo crocodile ha.
ang imong timan-an sa alligator, taas ang iyang kuhan. Iyang
Makita.
tukak. Taas kini yung hububo ra. Muna siya salt crocodile.
Ano nang isa ka man siya, may ano para ba siya isa ka?
Kita mo siya sa imo.
Guwapa.
Guwapa mo ka. 16 years old.
Nasa yung matang. Yeah.
Ay, wag nagkauna siya.